What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create these gorgeous CZ drip earrings in just under a couple seconds for each earring. Let's get right into it. The drip CZ pendants are available in these three sizes, and I'm going to be utilizing all three different earring posts so you can see what they look like in comparison. First, I'm going to be using this ball post with a ring at the bottom that is not soldered, meaning that you can actually open this ring and attach it to the top of this ring as well. Utilizing your set of pliers, gently open up the ring on the bottom of the ball post and attach it to the loop of the charm. Then utilizing your set of pliers, go back and close the ring up. And just like that, in one simple step, you have this gorgeous earring that you can personalize with any charm at the bottom. So it's just a style preference of whether you would prefer the large one or the small one. The next design method to use would be this really cute hammered post with a loop at the bottom that you can also personalize by adding any charm of choice at the bottom. I will be using the smallest size and also the largest size, and I use the medium size with the ball post. All you would need to do is use your set of pliers and open up your jump ring and attach the charm to the bottom of the earring and close up the jump ring, pass it, and come back to where they meet. Hearing that click indicates that it's fully secure and closed off and there's no open section left behind on the ring. And next, open up a jump ring as well, attach it to the charm and then onto the bottom loop of the earring post and close it up. And once you're done, the earrings should look like this. And this is the finished product of what it could look like. You can totally personalize any charm of your choice at the bottom, but these CZ drips are new arrivals, so I wanted to show you guys what they look like in comparison. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got inspired to create your own earring, and we'll see you guys next time.